Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel. So in this video we are going to see how to automate API using Postman. So we can use Postman tool for manual testing of API, REST API actually. So already I have created a playlist in my channel. So end of this video you can see as a card. And now I'm going to explain how to create an automation suite, like not extraordinary or some complex one. Simple thing you can check validate automatically, no need to do manual thing. So when can we use it actually? For example, if the application has around 30 to 40 or more than 50 APIs, so here there is a collection. Go to collection, you can create a folder. So see, I have created a folder. So you can add all the API under this, click on it and you can run it here. But before that, see, when you click, it will, so it will open new things. It will show one failure, two failure, something like that. So I'm just running this test. No test, it says no test. So here you will get how many pass, how many fail. This is a sample one. There is no test much actually. Okay, so how can you create it first? How can you create automation suite? Okay, so I have used for this some sample API. Don't worry guys, I will add this in commands, this URL, so you can also use it while exploring yourself. Just click on send. You got a response. So here you have got user first name, last name, avatar. All there are three users actually. So page is 2, per page 3, total 12, total page 4. So this is the response. So here if you want to validate automatically some, for example, uh, JSON value as well as status code as well as the time, response time. So from where you will get it, the options in, next to the URL bottom, you can see there is a test. When you click, it will be empty. Just move it to this side. Okay, here there are some snippet. Using this, you can create some minimal level of automation test. Click on response time less than 200 millisecond, and status code is 200. Okay, so when you run it, or you can save it actually. For if you want to collections, just save it. Okay, I can create a collection, something like automate API. Save to automate API. There is one. Now if you run, you won't get anything. Yeah, we have already added two tests, right? See, one pass, one failed. If you have multiple API, you will get more. So let's see. So just run it here. Here response came, but test result. Here you can see the automation test result. There is fail is response time is less than 200 millisecond, but actually it's taking 544. So for example, you can set a benchmark 600. Okay, 600 and save it. Just send. Now see, this message didn't change because here we didn't change actually. So here is the message to display. Okay, and if you want to validate some text from the response, for example, I want to validate Charles in this response. Okay, for that, go to test, and you can just scroll down here. Response body contains string as Charles. Okay, so here you can add the Charles. Now just run 3 out of 3. For example, instead of Charles, maybe if I put my name Dharma and try to run, see, body matches string Charles. So there is no text called Charles. Okay, so 200 and verifying time. See, 200 is easy to verify manually, also you can do. but when you have a string and all, you should, if it is if the response is very bigger one, you can add like this actually. So like this you can add as many as you want. Okay, so again you can click here or copy paste, and again you can add Charles. You can see 3 out of 4. Okay, as many as tester session you can add it here. Okay, this is how you can create a automation suite. So for running into a collection, I will add one more and save it to the same API. Okay, let's see. This is your collection which you created. Click on here, run it, run automate. So here there is some options, no environment. For example, if you have environment you have created, you can add it actually. So in that environment you can add your variables. So we have two API, just run API. See, here I got no test because I didn't add anything. Here I got 2 pass, 2 fail. Do one thing, let's go to the test. Just add a status code only. Okay, yeah, again I will run automate API. Okay, pass. Okay, fail. So now we no need to go to each API, run manually and see. So like this you can add, just close it. You can add as many as API you want. Just open new tab, enter the URL. When you save, choose your collection. That's it. Okay, so now you have understood like how can we automate API using Postman. Okay guys, if you have any questions, please put into comments. Uh, and by the way, anyway, I will add this URL also in the comments. Okay guys, thanks for watching.